guys, it's Havoc, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a thumbnail in Photopea. So you'd want to go on photopea.com, and now you'd want to go on new project, and then just write thumbnail, whatever you want to call it, thumbnail, and now make the width 1280 and the height 720. And the background, you make it white. So now we have our blank image that we can now edit. And first we would want to put a background in our image. We can add a color overlay if we just want to not how to glow, just a color overlay, and we can change the color, but we're not going to do that. We're actually going to add a background, like a radial background. So you want to create a new tab and go on radial background, and I like using this background. You can copy image and then press Ctrl V, or you can and I added a lot of layers by accident, so I'm just gonna delete them. But you just now go in free transform with edit. No, not this, on layer, edit, free transform, and then we are in our free transform. So now hold shift and scale the image up, and there we go. If we don't hold shift, then it'll be out of proportions. Now we can press this tick to confirm our changes. Now we're gonna add our objects into our thumbnail that we want to, for example, talk about or just showcase or something. Like I'm just gonna add a webcam. If you're wondering why I'm gonna add a image of a webcam, it's because I'm gonna do a video on best budget equipment. So we're just gonna add Logitech C920 PNG. So now we can just get a PNG image. If you don't know what a PNG image is, it has no background, which we always need a PNG image. So now we can copy image and then paste. Now we can go in free transform so we can edit it. And yeah, now let's make it smaller like we did scaling this image up. We do the same, but we just make it smaller. So you hold shift and you make it smaller. Now it's time for our text, because if it's just a webcam, we won't know what's happening, like what's so special about the webcam. I can't even speak, guys. And yeah, so we're just gonna make a text box by going on the T here and then scaling it up. And now change the size to 100. We can make it bigger for 100 so you can see it properly, because normally the text is quite small. And now we're going to change the font to Burbank Big Condensed. And I will leave a link to this font in the description. But this font, all you have to do is just download it. You have to open the font file and then press install. I'll just show you guys. So I'll put the link in the description. Let's just go on download. This is the font, Burbank Big Condensed. All you need to do is press it, then press installed. The link will be in the description to download it. So now we just select that font and then type our text now. So let's just see if the font is applied. Yeah, I'll just type in random stuff. And now we can just type, so best, and now we know how. Now we can go in free transform and make it bigger. If you're wondering what's the point of making it 100 if you're gonna make it bigger, it's just 100 so you can see it properly, because normally the smaller fonts are quite hard to see. So now we hold shift and we drag it up, and then that might look a bit good. Let's see that. And yeah, it's looking quite good. Now we're just gonna Right, best budget, I can't even spell, best budget, and you can just move it a bit up. And now equipment, if it doesn't fit, it's fine, because you can always make it smaller. It doesn't really fit, so we just make this 250, and we'll keep the best the same size, because it's showing normally you'd have best at the biggest size, so it would like, this is the best equipment, guys. And yeah, if you're wondering what's the point of that, it's just that the best is gonna stand out more, just to show that it's the best equipment you can get, if you know what I mean, guys. If I don't know if that made sense, but yeah. Now we're just gonna make equipment 250, and yeah. So now we can change our text color, because I don't want it to be this color. So we're just gonna make it yellow.